In this video, I'm going to teach you all the tricks you need to know on how to write an equation from a line in slope-intercept form. So we have this problem. It says write the equation of this line in slope-intercept form. And here's our line. So first thing to know is what slope-intercept form means. It means y equals mx plus b. So what are all these terms? So the first step is to know that the rate of change is the same as slope. Slope equals the change in y over the change in x. And this is equal to the rise over the run, which is also equal to m. So this is m. So we're understanding what these terms mean, okay? So m is the slope or the rate of change, and that's calculated by change in y over change in x, also known as the rise over the run. And the reason how you can remember what rise and run is, the rise goes up, right? So it's the change in y goes up, and then the run, if you can imagine running across, you don't run upwards, you run across. That means the change in the x-axis, okay? So now we can pick 2 points on the graph that are easy to read. So here's point 1 and point 2. So point 1 is 3, 4. Point 2 is 6, 6. So now slope equals change in y over change in x. Okay, like how we said here. So let's do that. So that means y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so where do we get these terms from? Well, we get them from our point 1 and 2. So point 1 will have x1 as the x value, y1 as the y value. Point 2 has x2 and y2 for the x and y values respectively. Okay, so now we just plug in the numbers into our slope equation. So here we have y2 minus y1, so it's 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4. And here we have x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, 6 minus 3. That's what we have here. So the slope equals 2 over 3. So now step 4 is our final step of understanding this equation, is the b. Okay, so b is the y-intercept. That means where the line crosses the y-axis. So where this line will cross the y-axis, that's right here. And for us, it's at b equals 20. So this is the y-intercept. So now, if we rewrite our equation in this form with all the numbers that we know, we get y equals 2/3 x, and we know the slope is equal to 2/3 plus 20, which is the y-intercept that we just found. And that's it. And that's how you find the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. In the ebook, you could download it, and you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. If you need more help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.